Alright guys, so what you have to do, grab the video, drag it in the timeline, and now if you want to edit the video, only stabilize some a portion of the video, make sure you're doing that, and then go to Fusion. Here you need to select media in and then press on your keyboard Shift plus space, and here please write planner tracker add, and now please you have to select to track which part of the video you want to track. You can only track, let's say, the nose. That's totally fine, and actually I'm gonna do that. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so just press Control and use the middle wheel on your mouse to zoom in, and now you can simply track only the nose, let's say. But from my video is her face is moving on profile style or portrait style, like her head is moving, so it's not very it's not a good idea to track the nose because her face is moving. So actually I'm gonna go back and only track her face, her head. Okay, so and now the next step is to make sure tracker point is changed to hybrid point, which is only tracking the part that you selected, and also here from perspective make sure is translation. And now you can set a reference from where the tracking should start, or should start from the end, and also click here track to the end. Okay, now as you can see, the tracker started and it's tracking her head, and now it should start. Okay, because that's all I want. Okay, now what you have to do is to go here to operation mode, and we have to select stabilize, and now it should stabilize the video. This video should be stabilized. Okay, let's see, and as you can see it's stabilized, but the problem is the background is moving. Her face is stabilized, but yeah, the background is moving as well. So what we have to do is make sure you select planner tracker, and then press on your keyboard Shift plus space, and here please write transform and then add. And now with the transform we'll increase the size so this is not visible. The background will not move, and you will not see the green side, or not the green, but the gray side behind. Okay, I think you know what I mean. So now, as you can see, if we increase the size using transform, now it works just fine. You can then go to edit and only delete this part maybe. Okay, now press B, cut, and A, select, delete. Okay, and that's it guys. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.